I said we're just sailing across the coast now. We're going past Spain. I'm going to end up in Portugal tomorrow.
Portugal? Are we sleeping in Portugal or are we just visiting it like today?
We're just going to spend the whole day there and the night. So there you go.
So yeah, we're still. Oh, no, we'll sleep on the boat.
So
are
we're
we
still
sleeping on the cruise tomorrow?
We sleep on the boat. Yeah, we sleep on the boat until we get off.
Yeah, for good in like 10 days. There we go. So you can see now the route we're going to take. So we're going to go past Porto and then we're going to end up in Lisbon.
Can you help me?
Animators Palate.
Look!
Oh, dude. Let's go. Table 4.
Good evening.
Evening. I sit here, yeah?
Yeah. Mum, sit here.
Yeah, you see Crush. Dude.
It's pink too.
Oh.
Mum, how do they know?
How do they know?
How do they know? 4 and pink. 4 and pink. And blue.
Ah, thank you very much. What does yours say? Oh, what you got today?
I don't know.
Let's have a look.
Look.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty nifty.
So Mickey's like that, and then he starts turning.
Oh, wow. Do you want to open it? So.
See, when he was a storyboard. I'm losing my throat, sorry. My throat's just going gone. I wish
Oh, thank you. He remembered it again, didn't he? Oh, drinks already. Look at that. Service with a smile. Look at those knives. They're well cool. Burger.
Starter and then pizza This is how you get through the maze. So you start off here, you go down, and then you go here, round, go down that corner, go up, down, come here, quick down, jump, and then you make it.
Well done.
Now I'm going to do word search.
That's really good. Push your bands, guys.
How do you have these 2 colours? Oh, that's mine.
Oh, check out all the human dudes! Hello, dudes! Hello, dudes! Alright again, with name's Crush. I said hello, dudes!
Hello, dude!
Check it out! Me and my fishing family were cruising the big old blue when we saw you dudes doing the same. What you say? We all totally hang together. If that sounds cool, say cha.
Cha.
Yeah, come on in, dudes. This is my little dude Squirt. And he's big man.
I'm Squirt. Dude, check it out. It's like a big human tank. Sweet.
Mr. Ed.
Hey, Mr. Ed.
Now, if you're ready to have a righteous time, say cha! Cha! I'm gonna catch some air, but I'll be back. Yo, Jelly Man, Little Blue, how about some games?
Games? Hey, one fish, come on, get a game with us.
Okay, everyone, let's play a guessing game.
Skull. Wait,
Keep guessing.
Pirate?
Shut up your guesses.
Shark? Fish.
You're gonna make me blush. Keep guessing.
Keep guessing, you say it.
Jellyfish! Jellyfish! The Disney cruise that we're on now.
Disney cruise. Oh, they gone now.
Oh, species. Let things be easy within the sea. There's peripheral collector.
He's swimming around.
It's not a jellyfish, it's a starfish.
That's crazy.
It's a starfish.
Starfish, sorry.
You can get for the princess. Oh yeah? We can get you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
It's a Donald, not a Mickey this time. Ew.
It does look like Mickey.
Look at the broken
If it says it's Donald, I believe him.
Broken plus. I know.
What did you have, Lil?
That's starfish.
What did you have? You had a cheeseburger and pizza. That's crazy. What did you have, sir?
Yes, Mum, this pizza.
Cheese and potato soup.
Yes.
What did you have? That's pretty funny.
Look, what's this?
Oh, there's another shark. Oh. Yeah.
How was your day?
It was great, yeah, thank you.
I've got a diamond.
Wow, diamonds, baby. So you're sitting here with the diamonds. They have a new room. It's called the Dream Tower. Oh yeah.
Oh, that would be nice.
Where diamonds, baby. That's where
Yeah.
you want to be. Yeah. I'm telling you.
That's nice.
One diamond can pay, or maybe you can come 10 times here to cruise, right?
Daddy's popping lilies.
Yummy. Palette bolognese. Not sure that's how you pronounce it.
Overload.
What did you have yours?
Halloumi parcel.
Halloumi parcel. Spin it. Pretty much the same all the way around, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure mine was a polente bolognese.
You copied me.
I did not copy her.
No, so Lily ordered first and then he thought he liked it, so he copied her.
They got
Yeah, make some noise if you're celebrating your first time cruising the big old blue. Give it up for the newbies. Now, make some noise if you're totally celebrating not being at school. Nice. And make some noise if you're celebrating not being at work. Here it is. Now this next one is one of my favorites, because I've done it 150 times. Who's celebrating a birthday? This calls for the turtle birthday song. Hey Moonfish, help me out. And the only word you need to know is do, so everyone can sing along. Do, 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 do. Do, do, now blow out your candles, dudes! Happy birthday! Now finally, I want you to rock the house if you're celebrating having a totally awesome time today! I think this calls for some surfing dudes! Grab your exit button! Start swimming, dudes! You gotta keep up with the talk. When I say righteous, everyone raise your right fit and say swim up and down here. The second move is awesome. When I say awesome, everyone raise shout, awesome! 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 Ah, dudes! You totally getting the hang of it. Oh, that reminds me of the third movie. It is totally. Everyone in the table throw both of your hands high in the sky and shout totally. Like Corey says, just keep swimming. Final move is sweet. So throw your hands down and back and say sweet. I think you're ready. Let's put them all together. Here we go. Righteous. Righteous. Awesome. Awesome. Righteous. Righteous. Awesome. Totally. Awesome time getting to know you, but before I go, remember this: surfing the waves of life is most excellent, but doing it with your family and friends makes it totally sweet. You dudes are totally awesome!
Is that all yours?
The chocolate's in my mouth.
What? Is that what you had on it? What? Look at that ice cream.
Harry.
What did you get?
Lemon pie.
Lemon pie.
Lemon drizzle.
Lovely. And I got the
Shark.
chocolate fudge cake. Oh my gosh.
Look at that shark.
So it's a chocolate fudge
It's
cheese.
vanilla cheesecake with chocolate fudge base.
This was a cookies and cream sundae, wasn't it? Nice.
It was.
One last look at Animators for tonight.
Oh my god.
That is one giant pencil.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.